All right, so this is Internet Computer 101, left and right clicking. So typically when we're learning how to use a computer, we learn left click options. So when you click left click, it does whatever the button has been programmed to do, such as opening a website, or if you clicking the plus sign, it's been programmed to open a new tab. If you were to go to Zoom, you left click it and it opens that tab. So if you want to do anything, if you want to activate anything or go to a new website, typically you're left clicking to click through everything. Okay. If you were to open something, like for example, this, you double left click to open something. So if you're opening something, that's what would happen. Ta-da. All right. So this is all left click. If you want to right click, this will provide you with options of what you can do. For example, in a Google Doc, you can left click and you have all of these options. If you were on google.com, and if you were to look up somebody like Lincoln or the Lincoln Memorial, when you left click it, you'll see a whole bunch of new things. So for example, if I click on this, open Lincoln new tab, I'm going to right click, left click. So when I right click it, it will open up our options. When you left click it, it actually opens it. So your left click is activating a button or activating what to do. So if you want to copy a link address, it copies the link address and it's saved into the computer's memory. So if you want to say, for example, since we just copied that link address, I can press Control V and that opens it up. You can also paste it somewhere else where you might need it. So for example, if I were to paste it down here or over here, choose one, and then I can just press Enter and then Control V to paste. There we go. That's how you do that. Yeah, so if you want to share a Google slide with someone, you just right click share or get a shareable link. And then you can share it with the copy link. Left clicking a button will make it happen. Then done. Then it's saved in your computer's memory and just posts. You can press Control V to open it. Or you can post it somewhere you want. All right, so again, these are the basics of left and right clicking. Remember, left click is to activate, right click is to find out what you can do with it. If you were to look at a picture, you can copy and paste by right clicking. Left clicking would just be to open that picture. All right, this is how to use a mouse pad. Oh, I forgot to mention mouse pads. If you are ever not able to go up and down, scrolling up and down, you can use the mouse pad. If you're on a mouse pad and you can't do a lot of things, you can move around with one finger, but you can also, if you were to scroll up and down, you can scroll up and down with two fingers, moving up and down. You're not clicking with two fingers, you're just moving up and down. So if I were to be on Google, I'm just clicking on the side, and then I can scroll up and down with my two fingers. This usually works for every mouse pad, including Chromebooks. So just take two fingers and move up and down. Do not click, because clicking will make you do that. But if you're just hovering over the mouse pad with two fingers, you can move up and down. If you want to left click something, if you want to right click something, again, a two finger tap will make you right click for a mouse pad. So if you're clicking on a mouse pad, it's usually left click. If you are having trouble right clicking, like if your mouse pad is not super sensitive, or if there's no line and you're having trouble right clicking, just gentle two finger tap and it will open up the same thing as right clicking. All right, that's it for the basics of left and right clicking on a mouse pad and on a mouse.